Yo.
Hi, this is my YouTube channel. We're gonna be trying the Takis that we haven't tried before. But I'm introduced one. No,
Nitro.
we got Nitro. We finished the blue Takis and the regular Takis since they're the regular ones and we already taste them. But these are the ones we haven't tasted. This one I don't know the name, but yeah. And then
It's called Crunchy something.
these are wild. Okay, so we're gonna try each one of them and see how they taste. First, we're gonna try Nitro.
Wait. Don't we have to blind taste them?
Should we blind taste them? Okay, so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna close our eyes and pick a bag.
And then we'll start eating them.
Yeah, and we're not gonna start eating them. We're just gonna eat one. So now pick a bag first, but close your eyes.
Okay, wait, no, wait, yes.
Okay, close your eyes and pick one. Easy one.
Yeah.
Okay, now get a chip and I'll get a chip. And move these to the
Tell me
side.
when you have one.
I don't know what bag it is. It's right here. I got one. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Green one.
Green.
We got the green ones.
They're okay.
I mean,
I give them like 2 out of 10.
I'll give it a 3.
Okay. Now between these two, we're gonna switch them up, and then I'm gonna make one. This one. Okay.
Hold on, wait. I haven't got my chip. Wait, give me that.
No, this is the one I picked.
Oh,
Pick that aside. Get my chip.
where's mine?
Here, your chip. Where's Alexis doing?
Okay, ready?
Okay. Wait, where's the bag? I need to put the bag aside.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Nitro.
Nitro.
These ones are good.
Very limey.
These are my favorite.
But look. But now, we. Okay.
Well, the last one, we can't do it. I get it a 4.
2.
I mean, these are. I probably should have rated this. I'm gonna rate this one. How would I rate? 10 out of 10. Because we didn't rate this one. 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give this one a 5 out of 10. No, a 9 out of 10. Because this one, okay, but it's not the best.
Okay. So now we got a bowl. We're gonna mix all of them and then eat them. First, this one.
Can I double mix it real quick? Alright, ready? Watch me double mix.
And then the double mix. Can I just say that these ones are a lot redder than the other ones? Look. A lot redder. So now, I'm gonna try our best to mix this up.
Look, hold on. I got the thing. Stir.
Right now? Aw. 5% roll.
That was like a 1 second roll.
Now, down to the chip and guess the flavor.
Nitro.
Nitro. Where's the Okay. So now my turn. I'm gonna go for this one. These ones. These ones. Hold on. These ones taste like, you know, those Cheetos that are jalapeno though. They taste like that.
Wait, we can actually see what the color of them.
Oh yeah.
Those away.
These are, I think, the Nitro are the best ones.
Nitro are.
So now, the challenge is,
Hold on. I don't know if it's this one or this one.
now the challenge
It's
is,
this one. It's this one. It's the green bag.
now the challenge is to eat all of these, both of us. Not that much, but I think we can finish them right now.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Set, go. I like these ones. These are good. Fun fact about us that we can eat Takis all day because we are true fan of Takis. There we go.
I mean, I eat them. Kind of.
Then I'm going to tell you. Okay. So last night, I was eating Fuego Takis, right? And it was just a powder, literally just powder in the bag. And oh my god, I was crying when I was eating them.
Why? Is it spicy?
A little bit. I think Alexis caught something.
She smells something.
Ah, look at that. You can see the redness in her tongue. Look.
What are the details on it? Can you look at it? Ew.
Here comes the cat.
I'm just eating these.
Almost done. You know what we should have done? We should have put all the chips in the bag. Because I know I'm not going to finish them, so why not do it? Should we do it?
All of them in one bowl?
Yeah. They're not going to last very long anyway, so I'm going to pause the video and we got all the bags. Go ahead and pour the first one. Wait, show the ones you got.
I got Wild and Nitro.
I got also Wild.
Fun fact, Nitros are not spicy.
None of these are spicy, actually.
Yeah, they're not really. I mean, they have a tingle to your tongue a little bit. Like, they get spicy after a while, but they're just not spicy enough.
Okay, me first. Damn, go. I don't know if this is gonna fit.
I hope it does. It's everywhere.
And our last bag.
Yes, bro.
Oh my god, guys. You literally... Oh, damn, there's still more in here.
No way.
So, we're gonna start from the top, and I'm gonna eat these after the video is done. So, we're gonna start from the top and eat all of these until we get to the bottom. Ready, down, and go. This is our first video together, actually, right?
Mm-hmm.
Don actually gave me these. They're zebra cakes. Thank you, Don.
Only like 2 or 3 left.
I have.
No, I said there was 2 or 3
Oh.
left after. I gave Savannah one, but I think she took more.
Yeah, you know Savannah. She always shakes everything. Our sister Savannah is a Steeler. We should have bought water bottles. Okay, can you do water bottles for us?
It'll be better without water bottles.
Okay. Yeah, we're true fans. We can't give up. My mom bought me a whole bag of Takis. There was 4 Fuego, 4 Nitro, 4 Blue, 3 Wild, and 3 of those green ones. Out of all of these chips, which one was your favorite, Dom?
Nitro. No, Blue Pete.
Definitely my Blue Pete too.
By here, Nitro.
Put that in the bag before it flies away.
Huh?
Put that in the bag before it flies away. Ooh. She's an ASMR.
No. Tomorrow? Bella?
Huh.
Tomorrow?
What? What? Tomorrow in school? Sorry, this is getting hard.
Look, your Nintendo Switch box?
Hmm?
Is that your Nintendo Switch box?
No.
Whose is that?
I don't know. I got my attention with my dad.
I'll be right back.
Today, I think either before you leave or mom leaves, we're gonna put up some lights.
I mean, next week we're going to SeaWorld.
Are we?
Mhm.
Mom said. If you haven't already been to SeaWorld, go to SeaWorld. We've been
What?
there for Halloween. We haven't gone for Halloween.
But I recommend them going. I recommend y'all like not going right now, but going during Halloween season. I have an event called Hollow Scream. I'm going on Carver's Cradle, Zombie Horde. We only went on one. Both of us only went on one. But next time it comes around, I'm going on not Carver's Cradle. I'm going on the Manor. There's like a manor. We went on Zombie Horde and that was super scary.
I don't like that one. I'm never going on that one again.
That was actually the scariest one, but
We're not talking about rides, guys. We're talking about haunted houses.
yeah, they're really long. They're like 1 minute. But we went on this roller coaster called the Journey to Atlantis, and that's really fun.
It is. I've been on tons of rides there. Sorry, hold on. I've been on tons of rides there, but there's one I haven't gone on. My mom was.
Sorry, hold on.
Our mom really wants to go on there. We haven't had a chance. So next week, hopefully, we need to go. Do you know when you're off for winter break now?
2 weeks maybe. Well, now 1 week. So next week.
Me and my
It's
sister are
last
going
week.
back in the building.
Wait.
Let's go.
My school lets you take off masks now. But. Remember that one part where it's like you can swing on it?
Mm-hmm.
Me and you, we had to go on that one.
Oh yeah. Oh, damn, you got Cheeto dust on me.
Yeah.
Next time, if I get chips, we're gonna try my best to get Takis and Hot Cheetos, mix them, and you can see who eats them faster.
We're not pretty slow.
Yeah.
I might quit because the two are nasty. The nitro are good, but I'm running short.
There should be some at the bottom.
I know. Ah. This is the green one. Yeah. I want those on the floor, at the wall. Disgusting.
I found nitro.
Bro,
Mm-hmm.
that's what they look like.
You alright?
The green one again. That's a nitro.
Are you sure that's nitro? I'm gonna take this one too.
Nitro. Tell me if you're nitro or not.
That's nitro. Wait, that's not nitro.
Was it? It was a nitro. Fuck.
Never try the green ones. They're nasty as hell. Don't do that. Oh my god.
I'm sorry. The nitros are so good.
You said that nitros are so good.
There's no crack.
No, squish my noodle cake.
Look, crack. I kind of really crap.
Guys, we might give up. Some of these chips are nasty. Got the...
Nitros.
We're almost halfway done. Look at our hands.
Focus, please.
He didn't say a bad word. He said focus. We're almost done here. Done with the nitro. It's not nitro.
This is a green.
I have a challenge.
It tastes like rotten tamales.
Let's try to eat chips without making a face.
Should we start trying that? I'm gonna lose.
What was that? I got my nails done,
Angry.
guys. I only have one nail on. Fucking whack.
I got my nails done yesterday.
We went to a dentist yesterday and we're still eating chips.
He told me to stop.
So good. So good.
Disgusting.
Our ASMR would be so much better if we had an ASMR microphone. Oh look, there's nitros. All the way to the bottom.
Good shit. If it's a freaking green one, I'm throwing it, okay?
Okay.
That's a green one.
Well, that's the nitro.
No, it's not.
It's actually fun, guys.
I need to throw these
Look at our
away.
fingers. Whose one's worst? Mine or his?
Definitely mine. I think I'm gonna quit. I need to get ready before I can go. I'm gonna leave you in this challenge by yourself. I'm sorry, I'll bring you some water.
Thank you. I won, guys, but I have to finish this. Oh my god. I don't know. I might give the rest of these to my brother. Someone. Oh, babe. Put on nitro. Nitro. Uh-huh.
Let's do another challenge while we're at it. Let's see who can chug their water faster.
I have found another nitro. Then it was half though. Could have asked him to open it. I can't even open mine.
Ready? Oh, she's 12, I'm 10, and we both still need to use our teeth to open water bottles.
What? Oops.
Sorry. Shit.
Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. He's cheating. Mm-mm. I finished. I won. You're cheating. He cheated. He put all his water. Oh my god.
I won.
I won.
Oh, I won.
Whatever.
Say, I won.
Oh, that scared me. Guys, this video is over. You can't do it no more. I'm gonna give this to my brother or somebody. Not my brother right here. My other brother. He likes Takis. I don't think he likes mixed Takis. Come say bye now. That's his foot. He said bye.
No, I did not. Bye. It was very nice being here today.
We'll see you next time, guys.
Not next time. I'll
Bye-bye.
probably never be in another one.
Bye-bye, guys.